Hey there, I'm in Sao Paulo right now, and this evening I'm flying to Paris on Air France's A350 in premium economy. I had to spend the night here in Sao Paulo, that's why I'm in a hotel right now. This is the Hampton by Hilton in Guarulhos. It's an airport hotel, and seriously, if you're looking for an airport hotel in Sao Paulo, I can really recommend it. Great hotel, really. It's my second stay here already, and if you come back to a hotel, I think that's a good sign. Another thing you should know is that today is April 12th of 2020 and the coronavirus is a big thing right now. So when you're flying Air France, your experience might be a little different than what you're gonna see in this video now, because Air France might have adjusted their service to the situation right now. Maybe not, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, just so you know. With that said, let's head to the airport. So apparently I can't check my bag until 2:30, which I didn't know. So yeah, got 2 more hours to spend in this completely empty Terminal 3. Okay, I'm through security now. I'm in the Star Alliance lounge, which is extremely empty. There are like 2 other people here, and even the buffet area is closed off. I really can't do anything here. Yeah, I can access this lounge because of my priority pass. It's not included in the premium economy ticket. You can get a discount for Air France lounges with the premium economy ticket. But this is a Star Alliance lounge. Air France is not Star Alliance. I can only enter this lounge because of my priority pass. Okay, so that was the Star Alliance lounge. Right here's the American Express lounge. Of course, normally there are a lot more people, but yeah. Weird times, right? Heading to the gate now. Should be right over there behind the corner. Gate 303. It's really crazy how there's nobody here and all the shops and restaurants are closed. Or some of them are open, but like there are no customers here, there's no service. I mean, there's only 2 flights I think going out today of this terminal, or 3. This United 767 is going to Houston in like an hour or so, or 2, I don't know. And this is the Air France A350 that I'm taking. Totally dead terminal. No idea what to do. Yeah, there's another flight to Santiago. You can see right there, I don't know if you can read that. Yeah, I think the ambience of this video is a little sad today, because the ambience in this airport is a little sad. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I mean, I do know what's going on, but hopefully there's gonna be food on the plane, because in the terminal there isn't.
Okay, this way on the right,
Thank you
please.
very much. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
L'embarquement débute. Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin crew is pleased to be joining you on this flight to Paris Passy Charles de Gaulle. They are here to ensure both your safety and well-being during the journey. We will shortly be departing. Please take your seat, fasten and adjust your seatbelt. Air France and SkyTeam partners wish you a pleasant flight.
Okay, so let's have a look around the seat door and try to give you a seat tour right after boarding, but the boarding music was too loud, so yeah, didn't work that well. But yeah, so this is the seat. This is what it looks like. This is the recline. Pretty nice actually. To recline the seat you have to push this button. There's another one right down there, which is for the footrest, which comes out there. Then right there is reading light, which you can control by this little controller here, which is actually pretty nice. But you can move around your finger here, and then it moves on the screen. Pretty nice, and yeah, those few buttons. Well, let's put this back. Screen pretty nice, also pretty responsive. Really like the screen. These are the movies. Haven't looked through them yet. Cinema. Oh, pretty nice. So this is all. So there's quite a big collection of movies. Pretty nice. Then USB port, audio jack, and down there are two universal power outlets. You get free water bottle at the beginning. I have nobody sitting next to me, so I get everything double. Here's a small space where you can put your small items like your phone or some cables like I do. Yeah, seat back pocket, another footrest, really nice. Yeah, then in here is your table. And the crew, right after takeoff, after pushback, they gave me this little bag, and yeah, let's see what's inside. Alright, so this is what the table looks when folded out. You can fold it in half. I'm just going to leave it open, show you the amenity kit. And yeah, this is the amenity kit. It says right here, this packaging is made of plant material. So, really nice, our friends. And this is what it looks like. And this is what's inside. Eye shades then for your headphones, really important in these times. Then for your ears, socks, toothbrush, toothpaste. Yeah, actually pretty nice for premium economy and this night flight. Didn't expect more, didn't expect less. Pretty nice. yeah, I finished the food, which is already been taken away. 9 hours and 1 minute to go. I'm gonna watch a movie now, and then I think I'll head to sleep. It's now, well, it's only 8:15 Brazilian time, but it's already 1 a.m. in France, so I think I should go to sleep in a bit. I'm not really tired, but I don't have anything better to do, and I don't want to be completely wasted tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna watch a movie now, I don't know, like for an hour or so, and then sleep a little. Yeah, food was alright. It was not the best food I've had, it was also not the worst. I didn't like the salmon, to be honest. The butter was really cold. But yeah, the beef was alright. Somehow we didn't have a choice, like a meal choice. There was only this one meal. I don't know if that's normal in Air France or if that's because of the virus going on that they can't create more food. I don't know. But yeah, the food was okay. Okay, so I switched seats. I'm in 10L now. Before I was in 12K back there. Flight attendant came to me and said, "Hey, you want to switch to row 10 because the better leg room we have here." Really attentive, really like the crew. Yeah, but the seat's the same. Only because it's a bulkhead seat. The screen is down there. You just need to press this button and it comes up. But I don't need it right now. And yeah, the controller's on the right side here. But yeah, same one. The wing view is even better from here, but it's dark outside, so I can't show you. But you're probably gonna see the landing from here. Good morning. I just left for 4 hours. 3 hours left to go to Paris, and yeah, just wanted to show you the lavatory. This is the lavatory on the right in front of the premium economy cabin. I really like it. It's pretty bright in here. Fortunately, no window. But yeah, nothing special. Pretty standard. Here's a mirror. Hey. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be landing shortly. Please fasten and adjust your seatbelt. Please put your seat back fully upright. Stow away your table, the cup holder and your footrest. Disconnect any wire from the NCPC USB socket and open all window blinds. E-cigarettes are not permitted, smoking is prohibited. We recommend that you read the safety card in front of you. And remember that in the event of evacuation, you must leave all your baggage behind the cabin.
Passageiro, cara passageira, iremos aterrar dentro de minutos. Deve apertar e ajustar o seu cinto de segurança. Deve endireitar as costas do seu assento e recolher o seu apoio para os pés e a sua mesa. As persianas das janelas devem estar para cima. É proibido fumar e os cigarros eletrónicos não são permitidos. Recomendamos que leia as instruções de segurança situadas à sua frente e relembramos que deve deixar todas as suas bagagens no caso de evacuação.